So guys, now we are going to discuss boiler section. All the question which has been earlier asked in IMS Goa related to boiler. So let's get started. The first question is, what is the safety device on the boiler? Safeties of boiler. That is also called boiler safeties. Yes.
Air vent valve and safety valve and
Yes. Yes. Air vent valve, safety valve,
fusible plug,
fusible plug.
fusible plug,
Hmm.
uh, low water level cutoff,
Low water level cutoff.
Low water level cutout.
Low water level cutoff. Anything else?
Low water level alarm. Low water level cutoff.
low water level cutoff.
Busting
Yeah.
disc.
Bust,
Yes.
Busting disc in
Yeah,
boiler.
I'm done with that.
Busting disc. Who said busting disc? In boiler? No, there is no busting disc in boiler. Somebody just said it's not. Anyone else?
Actually,
Yeah,
we just
Kamlesh
skipped
bro.
one question in the compressor section.
We'll discuss in miscellaneous part. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Boiler safeties. Amston. I want Amston. Okay. Amston left the
Yeah, remind
meeting.
me later. Okay.
Okay. Amston, I want you to tell about boiler safeties.
And you were searching for me? You're
Yeah, yeah.
searching for?
Um,
You
uh,
were searching for me? I
yeah.
had a network issue.
Boiler safety.
What was the question?
Boiler safeties. Boiler safeties.
Okay, so boiler safeties are we have a fusible plug, we have safety valve,
Hmm.
then we have the low water level shutdown, air vent valve, and so these are the boiler safeties.
Nobody is telling the complete answer. Okay, no worries. Uh,
And also
Kamlesh,
steam stop valve and steam pressure gauge.
boiler mountings. There are some boiler mountings which also considered in boiler safeties, like safety valve, fusible plug. Okay, air vent cock. Okay, Kamlesh bro. You can go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, jackpot. You want to tell? Yeah, boiler safeties.
Network problem with me or you, Gyan? Your voice is breaking.
Oh, it's me.
Till now. First, safety valves, water level indicators, steam gauges, steam cutoff valve, low water level alarm. Have I missed anything?
High water level alarm. High water level indicators.
Uh, Check on that note. As far as I remember, in our mechanical engineering syllabus, we didn't had any alarms
Sorry, sorry,
in
sorry,
this
sorry,
section,
sorry, sorry,
right?
sorry, sorry. I'm going too deep in it.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so I'll suggest like let's not mention this all the type of cutoffs and alarms. Let's just stick to the basics like safety valves, vent valves, physical plugs, steam
Really, really
gauges.
sorry.
So it was network problem. Now we were discussing about boiler safeties. Okay, at my time I have searched all about all the safeties, main engine safeties, boiler safeties, auxiliary engine safeties and all. After asking from Sandy and all, by cross checking this, what I concluded with the boiler safeties is that the first safety is safety valve. You can write, guys. Amston, you can write. The first is safety valve. The second is
Okay.
air vent or purge air purge cock, air vent cock or air purge cock. The third is low water level shutdown and alarm. Low water level alarm and shutdown. And the fourth is water level indicator, gas glass. Got it? And the fifth is flame failure alarm. Flame failure alarm. There is an extra, you may not, some of the guys, you may not heard of this flame failure alarm, but this is.
You mentioned fusible plug.
No, I, instead of fusible plug, we have this low water level shutdown. Because somebody
Okay,
was
okay.
saying also on board ship, nobody has this fusible plug in boiler safety. They have low water level shutdown. Jackpot, any cross check from your side?
Yes, bro. Both are in same concept only.
Hmm.
Because when there is no water, low level water, there will be fuel plug will melt and
Hmm.
to the thing.
Hmm.
Even one of the interviewer
See,
from a certain
if you
institute
are saying
has
there's
bashed
fusible
about
plug,
this.
you avoid this low water level shutdown, or you can also say that, sir, somewhere it is low water level shutdown, somewhere it is fusible plug. The concept is that in a case of low water level, okay, this fusible plug melts and some water came inside,
Extinguish the fire.
extinguisher or whatever it happens. I am little confused after that. When this fusible plug is threaded like a cylindrical structure, in that cylindrical structure, the mid part is made of gunmetal, okay, that has low melting point. In a case of low water level, it melts and create a passage. From by creating the passage, from this I have confusion that from outside some of the water get into this boiler drum, and the water level gets up, or something that comes to
Yeah, steam comes into the furnace and it blows up the fire.
that. I have little
Steam
confusion.
over.
Okay, I
Okay.
told you. Though, so the question of boiler safeties, got it. Five safeties we are concluded. Okay, so can we move ahead with the next question?
Yeah.
Yes, more.
Okay. After completing boiler, we will have a 5 to 10 minute this break. Okay, then we'll again complete this fluid mechanics. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next question is, where is the steam used? Okay, and why do you need to heat the fuel oil? Basic question.
You have said the answers in the question itself.
Is yeah. Abstain. Just
Okay,
tell
so
your answer
steam
now.
is used for the,
Hmm.
yeah, steam can be used for the accommodation
Hmm.
for the heater. So
Hmm.
also we can use for the bunker tankers in case of tankers to heat the fuel oil
Hmm.
or in the tanker, and also we can use it for preheating the jacket water, and also for the AC systems in the winter, and also for the fuel oil since the viscosity is higher at lower temperatures. So we increase it to around one at around
One thing,
130 degrees Celsius. The yeah,
yeah, that to decrease its viscosity. Na? One thing you said, to
yeah, yeah,
preheat
yeah.
the jacket water. What's that?
Yeah, in case of the starting of the engine can't be cold, like in cold weathers and all. So firstly, we use the steam to.
If the engine is stopped, we have to maintain the engine temperature. You have to warm it.
Okay, okay.
We can use steam heaters or electrical heaters.
Got it, guys. Thank you. So the next question is, what is boiler mountings? And try to guide everyone to speak up, guys. What you know the boiler mountings? Let me start with the other
Safety valve,
person. Boiler mountings. Yeah. Who is that? Who is?
safety valve.
Okay.
Yeah, myself, Ashok.
Yeah, yeah. Ashok. Great. Yeah. Safety valve. Correct. I am counting.
Gauge glass, feed check valve,
Hmm.
steam pressure gauge,
Hmm.
boiler blow down valve,
Hmm.
scum valve,
Hmm.
steam stop valve,
Hmm.
low water level shutdown,
Hmm.
ag vent coke.
Correct. Anyone else, please try. It can be repeated, no worries. I want you people to speak up. Vihan, go ahead.
Yes, it's a air vent cock,
Hmm.
safety valve, steam pressure gauge,
Hmm.
and steam stop valve,
Hmm.
and scum blow down valve,
Hmm.
blow off cock,
Hmm.
and water level indicator, or else it's called as gauge glass.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, that's it.
Okay. Feed check valve is also there.
Yeah, not. Yeah, it's speed check valve. I missed it. That's all.
Okay. Amston.
Okay,
So
so
you guys mentioned gauge class. So there's also a steam pressure. So you guys mentioned that as well, right?
There are two types of, I mean, gauge glass. One is water level indicator, and one is steam indicator.
Yeah.
Sorry, what?
That water level indicator or gauge glass is that is upside is the steam side and downside is the water
Water.
side. It is not of two types. It is two in number. For that safety reason, if one fails, if one is not showing correct, the other is
yeah, the
there.
other will.
Hmm? It is
Correct,
like that.
correct.
For the same
Yeah,
reason, we have two safety valves.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But
So,
apart from that, you also have a separate steam pressure gauge,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Yeah,
That
steam
in
gauge is
the
different and gauge
water,
glass
steam
yeah,
is
in the
pressure.
water gauge class, we are only looking at the water level. We don't really care
different.
about the steam.
Exactly.
Right, right,
Steam
right.
pressure, we don't know the steam pressure. That's why the steam pressure gauge is there.
and yeah,
Yes.
steam pressure gauge. So, let's,
And
hmm, yeah, yeah, Jack, go ahead.
I have a cross question about the previous question.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Why we need to heat the fuel?
Yeah, he told na to reduce
So
the
that
viscosity
HFO is,
so that
yeah.
can be burned easily.
And even the flow properties of the fluid increases.
The
So it
interviewer won't be satisfied.
Won't be
You have to
satisfied.
say
No.
about the you have to say about the automation.
Yeah. So
Oh,
maybe you can come in with the values of viscosity, like 380 Stokes comes down to. I mean, not Stokes,
yeah,
centi-Stokes to
380. Yeah,
comes down to
380
somewhere
centi
of 12 to
strokes.
13
13.
centi-Stokes, and then
Yeah, yeah.
basically the higher viscosity will allow you to have the fluid flowing much more easier, so it will not block any of the important things such as the needle inside the fuel injectors or even all of your pumps, etc. It will be much easier for it to flow.
But jackpot is saying that the atomization concept, something like atomization is
Yeah.
that
So
making
what he
Voice
was
is
trying to
a
breaking.
say is
spray,
just
like a
when you
spray.
reduce the viscosity, it is easier to atomize the fuel.
It will be easier to atomize the fuel by reducing, like it will be at the same time atomizing the fuel. Shit, my network is again going.
Again, bro, you
Recording. Okay. Sorry for the network issue, guys. Anyway, so we were discussing that atomization thing, na? Why we need to. Hello.
heat the fuel. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So to reduce the viscosity and hence the proper atomization of the fuel. Okay. So can we again resume our boiler mountings question.
Yes.
Okay, so just I am counting. It is 9 to 10 boiler mounting. Okay, the first one is
Can you s-
safety valve, safety valve. The second is air purge valve, steam stop valve, feed check valve, scum blow down valve, boiler blow down valve, steam pressure gauge, water level gauge, low water level shutdown or fusible plug. This low water level shutdown is kind of float. Okay, float you must be seeing in your cooler whenever the water gets full. It the float.
Best example, flush tank.
Mm-hmm. Flush tank. So can we further discuss the location of this boiler mountings? Is it can it be asked in IMS, or this much is enough? Seeing IMS.
it's better to go through this
So since I
once.
got my notes, if you people want, I can. I am very few things that I am remembering the things, but still, can I read out or just let ask guys? Where is this safety valve fitted and why it is used?
Steam chamber.
Why it is used?
Safety valve is fitted outside the boiler.
Hmm. Safety valve is
It
fitted.
is
It is
used
to
to
release the
maintain
pressure.
the safe pressure inside the boiler.
Hmm. Safety valve is fitted on the steam drum or boiler drum, top of the steam drum. Okay, and it
Steam
is
side, not outside the boiler. It's in the steam.
a steam drum. Okay, not outside. Somebody was saying that outside. Correct yourself. Okay, and the work of that to release excess pressure to prevent boiler from explosion. Making sense? The next is air purge valve. Air purge valve is also fitted on the top of the steam drum. Okay, air vent cock, air purge valve is why it is there? Anyone can tell why air vent cock is there?
To
Kamlesh
avoid
bro.
impulsion.
Implosion, that is
Yeah.
known as
First
implosion.
thing is
Implosion.
someone is saying implosion.
Hmm.
That one is thing, and another thing is when you are trying to fill up the boiler water chamber. So you need to get rid of the air present inside the chamber. So while you are pumping the water, the air goes off to the vent plug, and when you are done with like when you get required water level, you close the vent cock, and then start the boiler operation. Also, when you are trying to shut down the boiler, you keep the vent cock open and then let it cool so that it prevents the implosion.
Basically conclusion is that to maintain the pressure of the boiler. Okay, to prevent it will prevent it
Yeah.
from implosion as well as explosion. And what actually happens now,
Okay.
when we leave the boiler for longer time, the steam inside the boiler get condensed and the pressure inside the boiler reduce, and that because of that implosion can happen. So for that reason, we have this air vent cock. We open it, and the pressure get maintained with the atmospheric pressure.
Yeah.
Got it? Am I correct, Evito? Am I making sense?
Yeah,
So
okay.
basically, we just neutralize any void that might form uh,
Hmm.
in case we, accidentally remove the water using the blowdown valve at the bottom.
Hmm.
Because the steam has more volume than the water. If steam condense, volume will be reduced.
Hmm.
So implosion happens.
As the steam condense, pressure will be pressure is reducing as well, na? Okay, volume reducing, pressure also
Yeah.
reducing. Yeah.
It all related to each other.
Volume reduces. That's why the pressure is reducing.
Okay. The next question is.
So if volume reduces, then pressure should increase, right? As
I
per
was
ideal law.
that's why I was little silent and was thinking. Why somebody is
You know
not
what?
why somebody is
Wait,
not
wait, 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 wait.
You
Don't go
remember
for
we
the
had this
confusion.
discussion before and we were arguing about the same point.
Wait, wait,
goal,
wait.
goal,
I'll
goal.
explain.
Yeah,
You know about the relation between the temperature and pressure?
yeah.
Temperature and pressure, you know,
Yeah,
right?
pressure increases, temperature increases. Yeah.
What if the boiler is shut down? Temperature decreases, right?
Hmm.
Then pressure will be dropped. The steam will condense into water.
Hmm.
Steam steam volume is higher than the water volume,
Hmm.
so it will condense to try to reduce the volume.
Hmm.
That creates a void space or vacuum that causes the implosion.
Hmm. Okay, and when this steam with high pressure get
Avita, you
condensed,
have anything to say about this?
and
Yeah,
this
basically it's the reverse of steam hammering.
hmm.
Okay.
So in that case, in steam hammering, what happens is you have water which goes into steam. Oh no, no, not water goes into steam. Steam that condenses into water and then sucks the water back. So kind of similar to this only, that when steam condenses, you leave a void which can create a massive suction, which can suck the walls of your boiler inside.
Okay.
Yeah. I think let's move ahead with the next question, because this gas laws Amston was asking that we have this equation na, pressure increasing, volume decreasing. That is in the case of when temperature is
Ideal gas law.
constant. When temperature is constant, bro, PB equal to constant. This temperature, and that is I think Boyle's law. Yeah, in Boyle's law, if the temperature is constant, on increasing pressure the volume will reduce. Now I got the answer. Okay, so for that your temperature need to be constant, and just Jack explain that. Just tell me the relation with temperature and pressure.
Your
So in
voice is
temp
breaking, Gyan.
You want to say something about it, yeah?
okay, okay.
Geo Fiber 5G
Yeah,
something.
yeah, it is recently launched, bro. Geo Fiber 5G. I will be taking. So for sure, I will be taking. Okay, that. Guys, am I audible now? Am I audible now? Guys, am I audible now? One, two, three. Check. Recording. Okay. So we were on this topic. Let's move ahead faster. Okay, guys. Then I was saying that Amston, that your confusion was, am I audible? Let me know.
Yes,
Amston,
yes, yes, yes.
that
Yeah, yeah,
your
audible.
confusion was this, when pressure increases, volume should reduce. When pressure
Yes.
reduces, volume should increase. That is for constant temperature. That is Boyle's law. And at a constant temperature, Pb equal to constant, Pb equal to nRT. When T constant, Pb equal to constant, this pressure increases, volume decreases. Okay, but here
Okay,
that is
okay.
not the case. Okay, here your temperature is
Hmm.
not constant, as Jack has asked that. Tell me the relation with temperature and pressure. So temperature is decreasing, pressure decreasing. Direct relation. Temperature increasing,
Okay.
pressure increasing, pressure increasing, temperature increasing. So in that case, what is the
According to gas law, Gay-Lucas law.
yeah? But in the case of drum, when steam is being condensed, the pressure is literally reducing from the atmospheric pressure. Okay, because of the temperature is also reducing. Okay,
Okay.
and the volume of that drum is constant. Okay, and that can be that can be called as Gay-Lussac law is applying, because in Gay-Lussac law volume is constant, pressure decreases, temperature also decreases, temperature decreases, pressure also decreases. Steam is getting condensed into the water droplet, temperature is decreasing, pressure is also decreasing from the atmospheric pressure, so implosion can happen. Got it, guys?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, making sense. Okay.
Yeah, making sense.
Now the next is air purge valve, top of the steam drum. Air purge valve to purge the air to maintain the pressure of the boiler and to prevent it from the implosion. Now the next is feed check valve. Location is that at the water inlet from feed pump. Feed check valve is a non-return valve.
Non-return wall.
At the water inlet, its location. It is used to control the flow of water into the boiler. It is a type of non-return valve which ensure the only one way flow of water. Got it, guys? Okay, nothing to discuss more about. Okay, now the next is scum blow down valve. Anyone knows where is the location of scum blow down valve? Preet sir told.
At the level of water,
Yeah.
At the top
mounted
of the
side
boiler,
of
yeah, top of
mounted side of the boiler.
the boiler, not at the top side
No, no,
of the
not the
connected
top.
to the steam
No,
drum.
no, no, no. It's mounted. I think it's mounted side of the boiler, related to water level.
No, no, listen. There is two scum blow down, boiler blow down. Scum blow down at the top of the boiler, not at the top like at the safety valve top here top. Okay,
Yeah, that.
top of the boiler connected to the steam drum.
Water level, at the water level.
Okay, it is for
You can say
the
water
debris.
level.
Mounted according to the water level.
It is for the floating debris. Okay, let me read out. It is come blow down. It is used to clean the floating debris. Whatever debris is floating on the surface of the water in the steam drum, it will clean that. Okay, in the boiler drum, it will clean that. It will be cleaned because of this. Okay, now we have boiler blow down valve. Anyone can guess what is the location of boiler blow down of valve?
Bottom.
Sorry to disturb you, Gyan. It's bottom.
So in a water level,
Yeah, connected to the water drum.
so in a water
Okay, at the
okay.
bottom, and it is used to discharge the boiler water and sludges. Copied?
At scale.
Okay. Now we have
And also in the case of inspection, or you have to.
mm. Now we have steam pressure gauge. Steam pressure gauge on the front side of the boiler. Steam pressure gauge on the front side of the boiler, and it is used to ensure the steam pressure inside the boiler. Okay, measure. It is used to measure the steam pressure inside the boiler. Now we have water level gauge. It is on the front side of the boiler as well, used to indicate the level of water in the boiler. Now we have this water level gauge, low water level shutdown. It is a float in the steam drum. Okay, it is used to indicate the level of water in the boiler. Water low, no, it is a trip. Water low level water shutdown. It is an alarm and trip. First it will alarm and then it will be trip. Okay, shut down the boiler. Either some an it is a this optional option of fusible plug. In spite of fusible plug, it can be used. Either fusible plug can be used. Kamlesh bro. Kamlesh bro, are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Your voice is breaking, yeah?
Again it
Is
is
it from
breaking.
you or others also facing the same?
No. This time
Kamlesh,
mine.
is it the same for you?
This time.
Yes, we are not
Yeah,
able to Gyan.
Yeah, we can't hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, turn switching off your video and then
Okay.
speaking, yeah?
Now,
Turn it
now,
off.
Yeah.
now, can you hear me, guys?
Yeah, all
Okay.
all good now.
Okay. The next is fusible plug. Fusible plug is the boiler mounting. कमलेश ब्रो जस्ट म्यूट योर सेल्फ समथिंग मच्छर मार रहे हो क्या आप चट चट आवाज आ रहा है ठीक है थोड़ा म्यूट कर लो ठीक है
ठीक है, ठीक.
ओके ओके so fusible plug guys, fusible plug remember it is used to prevent damage to the boiler from overheating. Okay, it is made up of soft metal alloy that melts when the temperature of the water reaches at dangerous level. allowing steam to escape. Okay, so what I was saying, that fusible plug is a kind of threaded cylinder structure in which the middle part is made of soft alloy, and whenever the water level goes down, the temperature of the drum gets very increased, and at that time this fusible plug melts, and it create a passage to escape the steam, high temperature steam. It escape from the boiler, and the temperature of the boiler get maintained. Now it is cleared. Got it? Got it?
And what in case of fire tube boiler?
No, no. See, water boiler is to produce steam. Whenever there is a
Yeah.
low level of water, okay, the it will be like that only steam. We don't want that only steam in boiler. Okay, there should be some level
Okay,
of
okay, okay.
water. Otherwise, temperature
Okay, yeah,
will
yeah, yeah,
go
yeah.
drastically very high, and this is what
Yes, yes, yes.
happens. So so the fusible plug is what doing that, by melting it creating a passage inside the cylinder. So with that melting up passage, the high temperature steam escape to the atmosphere, whatever, from the boiler drum. Where it goes, don't know. I don't know.
Furnace, furnace, furnace,
Yeah,
furnace. It
yeah,
goes into the furnace, blows off the fire.
okay, that I don't know, but I will cross check. Okay, so guys,
Yeah,
we
got
are
it.
done with this boiler mounting. Now we have already discussed what is air vent valve, air vent cock. We discussed
Yeah,
air.
yeah, yeah. My question was Gyan.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's air vent. It is called as a air vent cock or a air vent valve.
You
same
can
What
thing,
say
we
same
need to
thing,
anything.
call it.
You can say anything.
anything.
Air vent
Okay.
or purge cock.
Yeah, I had a doubt that what I need to spell that term.
No, air vent cock, air vent cock,
Okay,
air vent valve, air purge valve. These are the same things. Okay,
Air
okay,
should
that.
be there.
air,
Just is mentioned
air
air.
should be there. Okay,
Okay, okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
So let's move with the next question, guys. Next question is this. We already discussed air vent valve, that is to maintain the pressure of the boiler and to prevent it from the implosion. Now the next question is, what is marine boiler, and explain. Kamlesh bro, have you prepared this? Marine Scotch boiler it is talking about. This is the
Scotch
Scotch
it is.
marine
It is
marine
saying Scotch boil,
marine
marine
boiler.
boiler.
It is only written
So we
marine
can
boiler.
mention.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can mention any boiler, right? Fire tube or any
No, no,
water tube
yeah,
boiler.
no, no.
We can
I
go
have
about.
heard of from the Dreamer package. There is a boiler which
Oh.
is name is Marine Scotch boiler. There is
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
that is fire tube boiler,
yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah.
right?
Right.
Hmm.
I think he needs to cover about that. Right?
Okay.
Water tube boiler. Sorry, fire tube boiler.
So what you gonna
Yeah,
tell
वो stationary.
if he asks this question? What is marine boiler? Any
I
preparation
would
from
go
your
with
side?
water. I would go with water tube boiler only.
If it would have been asked, then I would have go with this. Sir, there is a boiler which is known as marine Scotch boiler, which is frequently used on the marine ship. That is fire tube boiler, and the working of the fire tube boiler is that in this tube the smoke is the smoke is passed, the fire is passed. Unlike the water tube, this is like that only. I won't be blank at that time. Whatever I know, I will
But
speak.
Yeah, I mean that's the
but
only
is
thing
it
you
fire
need to
tube
say.
boiling? Scotch one is the fire tube boiler only.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is fire tube boiler. Yeah, Vihan.
Okay, okay.
Something to say?
No, 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 no.
Okay. We have already discussed this. What is the use of steam in ship? Okay. With, uh, and now we are going to discuss how water movement happens between the steam drum and water drum. Natural circulation,
Convection currents. I think.
water movement. Kamlesh bro, what's your answer?
Convection currents.
temperature difference and density.
Density
Exactly.
difference.
While the hot water has a less density, so it moves upward to the boiler, and the cold water has a higher density, so it moves downward to the water boiler. And this is the natural circulation of water takes place in water tube boiler.
Hmm. Kamlesh bro, what's yours?
Yeah, I'll go with him. Just natural circulation of convection currents.
Okay, Avito has left the meeting.
Yes, yes.
Okay, no worries.
It's been 5-10 minutes, I guess.
Okay. So let's move with the next question.
I
One
guess
second,
Ravi
one
must
second.
have been disconnected. Okay, there's
What's the
another
word?
thing. I think in
Ashok has
wait,
something
wait,
to
wait.
say. Yeah.
What's the word you spelled that? Uh, water is naturally convection.
Sorry, what?
What?
Convection.
What? Yeah, yeah.
Convection
How
is
the water circulate?
Kamlesh bro.
We didn't get your question, bro.
Uh,
How did the water get in steam to come to water? Water to come.
Your question is what
Can
is
you please
convection current?
type it out in the chat box?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So by natural this natural convection, only density difference. So steam will go. No, how water will go into the steam drum. That's
No,
what
no,
he
no.
means, I guess.
No, water also goes.
Hot water, cold water, like that. Density difference will be
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
exactly.
Density. How does water flow in boiler? When because of natural
But there are
circulation.
some cases
Hmm.
where you need to pump
Convection current is the
force.
also right word. It is the in water heat transfer takes place in convection only convection method, molecule to molecule.
But
On
steam will go. No, not water will go. Even hot water at 100 degrees Celsius won't go. No,
yeah, there
only
is
steam
not
will go.
any
No.
absolute.
Wait.
Yeah,
See,
In steam drum, both water, hot water and steam will be there. In water drum, water alone will be there. And boiler, it won't boil at 100 degree. It boils above 150, 180 degrees.
But the question says that how water is circulated and not about this how steam is generated.
no, no, the
How
question
water
is
That's what the
circulated.
see.
density difference.
Question
Natural circulation.
question is this that what how water movement happens between steam drum and water drum. So it is the natural. What is the how water movement is happen between the steam drum and water drum?
I'll try to answer the question. Okay.
Yeah, try it.
There are two methods. One is forced circulation, and
Hmm.
there is natural circulation. In
Hmm.
natural circulation, what's happening is because of the density difference, convection currents are formed, and the water flows. Like hot water goes up, cold water comes down.
Hmm.
But in some cases, let's say you have a in some boiler, I can't remember the exact name of the boiler, but there are some boilers where you use pumps to
Hmm.
circulate the water.
I have also heard of.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so these are the two
Hmm.
methods.
Yeah. Can we move with the next question? This much idea we got now. We would not
Yeah,
be blank. Okay.
actually, we need to do some more
Yeah,
detailed like
yeah.
research on that.
Just make it important, na? Like a
Yeah.
star on this question.
Idato?
Okay.
Then mama idato ni.
Okay. Now the next question is difference
Na na
between.
nini maka na ndio bona.
Now the next question is difference between the water tube boiler and fire tube boiler. Guys, in Dreamer package, sir has already taught. Please, Vihan, Raj, you guys come up. I hope you must have. Uh,
In water tube boiler, it was costly and difficult to maintain, and it produce high pressure.
Coming to water tube boilers, water circulated inside the tubes, and coming to fire tube boilers, the hot flue gases flow. Circulated inside the uh, pipes. And coming to water tube boilers, it can generate up to 350 bars, and coming to fire tube boilers, it can generate up to 10 bars of. And coming to water tube boilers, it is a high operating cost, and coming to fire tube boilers, it is low operating cost. And water tube boilers are high costlier. I mean high compact size and fire tube boilers are larger in size. And efficiency of water tube boilers is 95%, and coming to fire tube boilers, efficiency is 75%. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. You guys can refer this trimmer package for the more thing, like you can also mention this water deep boiler is vertical fired boiler, and fire tube boiler is, or smoke tube boiler is horizontal fired boiler. These are topic. uh, this fire tube boiler is for low pressure application, water tube boiler is high pressure application. Water tube boiler is mostly used on the tanker ship, whereas smoke tube boiler are mostly used on the bulk ship and other container ship. These are the guys you can make out the differences. Okay, for more differences please refer the dreamer package. Okay, so guys, moving with the next question. uh, Kamlesh brother, are you having this answer, working of water tube boiler and fire tube boiler?
Not in detail, but roughly we can say like there's water chamber, there are tubes through which water flows, and in fire to boiler, uh, okay, I just confused. I just got confused. Okay. In water tube boiler,
Mm,
there is a fire chamber through
mm,
which tubes are passing, and through the tubes water flows. Okay.
mm,
And in fire tube, uh, there is a water chamber through which tube goes, and through the tubes fire like flue gases are passing.
mm.
That's the
So
broad
this
idea I have
the
right now.
whole idea is that in water, and if we see from the dreamer package, if we refer, sir had told about this. In water tube boiler we can mention we have the natural circulation in water tube boiler. Okay, because of that
Yeah.
only we get the higher efficiency. Water tube boiler can produce steam much faster. So how, because of
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
natural circulation and all the thing,
The rate of generation of steam is higher in
faster and
water tube
all the
boilers
yeah,
than
working is
Exactly.
like that.
Yeah, but we are discussing about the working.
Amstel,
So
have you
those
did
are the
homework?
differences.
Yeah, have you did homework on this question, working
Yeah,
of
I would say
fire?
the same thing. Yeah,
What?
in the water tube boiler, we have water flowing into the tubes, while the outer space around the tube, we have the flue gases, while in a fire tube, we have flue gases flowing into the pipes, while
Mm,
the out of the pipes, we have the water inside the boiler. So
water
these are
tube
the
is
points I would say.
okay. Water tube is vertically fired boiler, and this, and in water tube natural circulation, because of natural circulation steam is producing is like that.
Okay.
Can
So we have to find about this
yeah, yeah.
working.
Yeah, the whole addition, refer dreamer package for this guys. Okay, and we I think we are done with the boilers, boiler mounting, boiler
Yes,
safeties,
yes.
every mounting location we are done. Anything else we are remaining with the boiler, because
So where
the
is this Scotch boiler mount?
yeah, dreamer package,
Yeah.
refer this dreamer package you will get. I left my notes,
No.
otherwise
Okay.
I would have sent the picture of
Okay.
that.
Okay.
He particularly mentioned, Paneer has particularly mentioned about this marine scotch boiler, very common boiler used on board ship. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it. I got it.
so guys,
Super C.
this
I,
was the
I
session of
I got it written.
related to the IMS Goa boiler question. Okay, IMS the all the question that has been asked related to boiler we have discussed. So thank you guys.